I'm going to teach you how to send your Canva design as a digital greeting e-card using email, SMS, and other sharing options. This is perfect for birthdays, holidays, and any special occasion where you want your message to feel personal and polished without the hassle of printing or postage. Start by opening your greeting card design in Canva. Take a moment to review the details, double-check the spelling of names, look over your colors, and make sure any photos or graphics are placed just right. If your card includes animation or video, preview it to confirm timing and transitions look the way you expect. This quick review helps ensure what you send is exactly what your recipient will see. Next, click Share in the top right corner. This is your hub for sending and distributing your design. You'll see multiple options here, and each one can be used depending on how your recipient prefers to receive their card. If you want to send the e-card directly from Canva, select Email. Enter the recipient's email address, add a clear subject line, and include a short, friendly message so they know what they're opening. Canva will attach or link your design based on the format you've chosen. A helpful tip is to send the email to yourself first to preview how it looks in an inbox, then forward it to your recipient once you're happy with it. If you'd like to share through SMS, Messenger, or other chat apps, select Copy Link. This creates a shareable link to your design. If Canva prompts you to choose how others can access it, pick a view-only option so your recipient can see the card without editing it. Then paste the link into your text message or chat, add a short note, and hit Send. This option is fast, works great on phones, and doesn't require any attachments. Prefer to send it as a file? Choose Download. Pick the format that fits your card: PNG or JPG for a simple image, PDF for print style clarity, and MP4 or GIF if your card includes animation. Adjust size or quality if needed, then download the file. You can attach it to an email or upload it directly to a chat thread. If the file is large, compressing the size or choosing a lighter format can make sending quicker and more reliable, and that's how easy it is to send Canva designs as digital greeting e-cards using email, SMS, or shareable links. Try it now and brighten someone's day with a personalized digital card.